Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I've got both for you in this video today. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. So the giveaway that we're doing in today's video is our monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. So I do a monthly eyeshadow palette that I give away every month. I also have a bunch of other giveaways going on. You guys, I have a Jeffree Star giveaway. I have a 700 subscriber giveaway. I have a monthly giveaway. I have all sorts of stuff going on. And so today is going to be the March eyeshadow palette giveaway. For those other ones, I will put links in the description box down below. They'll take you to the video talks that'll tell you how to enter that giveaway. So for the month of March, it is the by BeYou. It is their Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it, so that way you guys know that it hasn't been touched, anything else like that. I don't touch them anyway, if they're ones that I'm giving away to you guys. A little bit about this palette super quick. It does retail for $38 and will reveal dream-worthy looks faster than you can say Midnight Masquerade. An imaginative limited edition 10-piece makeup palette infused with good-for-you skin ingredients. It's their Midnight Masquerade. It's highly pigmented. There's nothing to mask here. And feel endless beauty looks with the Midnight Masquerade 10-piece good-for-you skincare face palette that easily takes any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. Perfect for makeup newbies or mavens, this limited edition pure palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable matte and shimmer shades that blend effortlessly onto the face and eyelids for endless full looks that make you stand out. I'll go ahead and insert a couple pictures of it here now for you. And a little bit later on, I'll let you know what you need to do to win this. So like I said, we do have an unboxing today, and I'm super excited. It is the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. I'm a little worried because I did cut it open, but the box is all smushed. Anyway, I haven't done a deep dive, so I haven't taken anything out of the box, so hopefully everything is okay. So the Rachel Zoe Box of Style does ship out every quarter, so this is their spring box. It is a little bit on the more expensive side, so it's $99. But the value of everything in here is supposed to be over $400. And it's supposed to, all 5 luxe items in this edition are intended to elevate your spring style. Members only price is $99.99 with a retail value of over $400. So let's open it up. I do have a code in the description box down below that'll get you $15 off your first box. It kind of helps you out a little bit, and it helps me out too. So everything comes wrapped in here. Has a card, talks about everything in it. I'm in love with this pink dress here. So pretty. I don't think that's in here, but I just think it's pretty. So a note from Rachel Zoe. Spring is all about new beginnings, and what better way to start the season than with this selection of fresh style staples. From a hydrating, it gets into what's in here, so let's not talk about that yet. So the very first thing in here is a transitional tote by Shiraleah, Chicago. Oh, this is cute. It's kind of, you know, got this suede look here, and then more of an actual leather look here. It does have a snap here for you to close it. And then on the inside, there is, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but there's an interior pocket down here. So Rachel Zoe says, I love a camo bag at the turn of spring because it pops against dark winter coats and look flawless alongside spring fresh florals. Styling tips, pair with a button-up shirt and mid-skirt for the office, or team up with your favorite sundress and sandals for weekend brunch. This slouchy silhouette is roomy enough to carry everything from your laptop to your farmer's market haul, with an inner zipper pocket for your wallet and keys and phone. Why we love it, the classic hobo silhouette gives a fresh update by the way subtle mixed media crafted from vegan leather and suede. It is a Shiraleah Arden tote, retails for $74. And then the rest of the items came in this box. I love their boxes. They have a magnetic close and are perfect for storing stuff in. So this next one here was a choice. You got to pick between an all black or a tortoiseshell. I'm trying to remember which one I picked. I think the black? We'll find out. It is by Diff. It is the Bella sunglasses. Her tip, what Rachel Zoe says about it is, I never leave home without my sunnies, even on a rainy day. These tortoise and black versions are striking, timeless, and look great on everyone. Styling tip, whether you use the always on trend tortoise or bold black frames, this oversized silhouette will ramp up your everyday look. Why we love it, for every pair of sunglasses sold, Diff provides the gift of sight to someone in need. Every frame is hand cut, making them more comfortable and flexible for everyday wear. It says for every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate one pair of glasses to a person in need. Love that they give back. And it says here, let's make a difference. And they come in this cute little bag. I did pick the all black ones. They have kind of a smoke gray tint to them. Pretty tight here on the ears. What do you think? I don't really go for normally for eyeglasses this big. This will make me look kind of bug-eyed. Let me know. Most of the time I wear a prescription sunglass anyway, but let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of the style on me? Next we have a bracelet from BeYou with Love chain bracelet. I think that is Nikki Reed's brand. Crafted by my most talented friend, Nikki Reed. This elegant chain link bracelet adds instant glamour to everything from jeans and t-shirt to evening gowns. Skincare tip, wear alone as a subtle statement for everyday glamour, or pair with other stackable pieces for a fashion-forward look. Why they love it? BeYou with Love is a lifestyle brand focused on sustainable, ethical fashion. These hand-assembled bracelets are made with recycled brass and plated with refined 24-karat yellow gold. And here's what the chain kind of bracelet looks like. I have a hard time doing links, so I'd have to have my husband here to latch it for me, but that's cute. It does retail for $195. Wow. From Laszlo is the Hydraphel Skin Supplement. It's a transformative toner. Emerging from the winter months, my skin craves products that are revitalize and hydrate. This easy-to-use toner is a quick addition to my skincare routine that delivers high-impact results. Skincare tip: after cleansing, swipe gently over your skin with a cotton pad or apply directly with your hands in a patting motion. I like using a microfiber cloth, and then that way I'm not kind of just more friendly to the environment, that you could just throw those in the wash. Why they love it. Follow with your favorite moisturizer both day and night. Why we love it. Revives dry complexions after the harsh winter months. Unlike alcohol-based toners, this gentle formula sweeps away dead and aging skin while delivering natural skin renewing nutrients. It does retail for $68. This is a really pretty bottle. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. I wish that they would not put scent in these things. It's pretty big size. It's 6.8 fluid ounces. Finally, from R+Co is their Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. It says Lotion Hydration Brilliance. And what Rachel says is, who doesn't want a product that makes their hair lustrous and manageable? I'll apply this lightweight hydrating cream to my damp hair for a smooth finish, or use it to nourish my ends in between blowouts. Hair care tips: apply to wet hair, leave your locks shiny, soft, and free of flyaways. I get flyaways real easy. Why we love it. It's vegan and cruelty-free. The subtle yet alluring fragrance leaves your hair smelling fresh all day. Does retail for $29. It is 5 ounces. And it's got, yeah, a little bit of fragrance. I don't like putting fragrance in things, you guys. So there's this one. So I think that it was a pretty good box. Let me add up that total for you. So your total is $451. If you're gonna use everything in here, then it's worth it. The bag I thought was cute, and I think the chain bracelet was cute. I don't know if those glasses are just a little bug eye for me. And the other two things, that fragrance, which I'm really not into in my products. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the box. So what you need to do to enter for the Pure palette is, number one rule, must be a subscriber to my channel. I do these giveaways to get back to you guys. You must like this video and watch it in entirety. I'm trying to get my watch time minutes up so I can get this thing monetized. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter. I do all of my giveaways on a Google form. So I'll put the link in the description box down below. That'll take you to the Google form. Nobody else has access to that Google form but me. And when the giveaway is over, I delete the form. So when the giveaway's over, it'll be over March 31st. So on April 1st, I will go ahead and pick the winner using a random number generator. There's a spot on the Google form to save you and be notified via Instagram or email that you won, and I'll let you know. And there's also a spot on the form for your address. So make sure to put that in. And I will send your eyeshadow palette out to you guys. It's pretty simple. Make sure that you are subscribed though. A lot of people will enter the giveaway, and then I do check to see if they're subscribed, and if they're not, I will go on to the next person. We are not responsible for any duties, fees, taxes, anything like that to your country if it's lost in transit or damaged products. This giveaway is not affiliated with Pure at all. It's all done on me. I purchased the palette to give back to you guys. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. There are a couple bonus entries that you can do. One, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty_. AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And also, if you share this video, help it get out there, that will give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.